All right, are you ready to get moving? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lisa Byrne, and so for today I have 10 exercises for you, and these exercises are 40 seconds each, very little time in between, just enough for me to show you the next exercise. They can be used when you don't know what to do, right? You're sitting, you feel junky, you want to relax, you want to unwind your body, maybe after a day of work. You want to do these, or maybe this is something that you do first thing in the morning or just taking a break. So I'm going to give you 10 exercises, 40 seconds each. I'm going to give the first 3 seconds or so to show you the exercise so that you're not lost in what you're doing, okay? So try to keep up with me. First exercise is this, wide, and then you're going up with your knee, okay? So just nice and easy at first, right? Use your arms in the way of sort of reaching out into the space in front of you, okay? It gives you an idea and tells your brain some good information versus just letting them hang here, okay? I call it kind of a sporty stance. You're gonna start to notice your heart rate going up. That's a good thing. That's why you're here. It's really just getting that blood pumping through your body. Starting to feel better inside already, but you just don't know it. So starting to breathe through that nose. We've got 3 seconds here. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? So get yourself set, get ready and go. So the core, right? Everybody talks about the core, but the core is really deep and deeply of how you're holding on to yourself. So think about that. How are you holding on to your whole entire frame to be able to do what you're doing here? That's really meaningful. So let that kind of sink in to your movement and your appreciation of what you're doing for yourself. All right, love being outside. Get outside if you can. If you can, take your movements outside. Take your iPad outside. Watch this stuff outside. All right, 3 more seconds. All right, next one, split stance. You're gonna take your back arm and you're coming up. Pretty simple. The back heel is coming up. Ready? Go. So it's up and back. I'm gonna show you from the side. So you wanna be able to stick your butt out, and that you always have control of your arm. What's that mean, right? You're not just throwing this arm out there. That arm is you. So how you are controlling it rhythmically with this chosen movement on the side. And just whatever feels okay with your feet. Having this back and forth, hips opening up here. Nice, good opening in your hips. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pair this with an exercise. So the pairing looks like this. You're going from here, nice and long and out, okay? Nice and long and out. Ready? Here we go. Out and back. So this right foot, that's not moving. You're just gonna pivot right to the side of that. So when we're using your upper and your lower body, of course your heart rate's going up. All these responses to movement, it's all going up. That's good stuff, because this is where you're going to benefit when we're all done here. Trying your best to breathe in through your nose. It's really good for you to breathe in through your nose. Okay, so this is a duet. We're gonna do this pairing on the other side in about 3 seconds. So feeling your form, right? Your form and movement. All right, so we do that same thing on the other side. So you're going from back to up. So starting to get that charge going in the right side. Your heel comes up. You feel this right hip open up. Maybe a little squeeze in your butt. Always trying to find balance. This other arm, let it help you, or let it be a part of your balancing system. Good, nice, good breathing. That's it, just getting into a rhythm. Focusing, you're not trying to go fast, or you're not trying to just do this, but let your body and your mind be into it. Good, 2 more seconds. Then we're gonna go into the pairing, which looks like this. Over to the side and back. Left foot, that is not moving, okay? So that's it, ready? Out and back. So a big enough step that you can control it and you're not going to do any damage to your knee. So you always wanna feel, what are my parameters? What are your parameters? Always operating safely, and as I always say, personalizing. So as soon as you get back, you're going forth. Chest open, whole system working here. I'm gonna say nice and easy, but it's really some good work we're just conjuring up here. 5 seconds. The next movement is called run right here. One more of these. Run right here, and that looks like this. So what's really important, here we go, is that the arms are really chugging back. You don't want to be moving from at your elbows. You want to have kind of stiffness in your arms at 90 degrees. You don't have to have your legs coming up high, but you can go quick in here. Okay, you can even turn around if you fancy. Just feeling that rhythm. Getting those arms, especially the elbows, really chuggling back. Chuggling, I don't think that's a word, but I like making up words. All right, stay with me for 5 more seconds here. All right, so we're gonna go back into a split stance here, right leg forward. You're gonna push forward with both arms and absorb back, okay? That's the movement. Ready? Push and back. So this is kind of quick, gonna show you from the side. So it's kind of like a little bounce off your back foot. Now I am gonna say this is a lot of core, because as soon as you go back, before you know it, you're forward. So you're gonna really work the arms and the legs, but the core has really gotta be tied in tightly, intelligently. Okay, appreciate all this blood flowing through your body. And the blood that's flowing through your body is also flowing through your brain. 2 more seconds. All right, so we're gonna switch sides. Think again, what did we do? Went like this, okay? So here we go. So push, you're bouncing right off that back heel. As a matter of fact, your back heel is not even hitting. So you're just going back and forth. How your trunk and how your core is catching the arms coming back. There's a lot of catch in the abdominals here. Doing great. Good, keep it strong. We're almost done. Like, what? We're almost done. You kidding me? I think we have one more movement. The one more movement is mummy kicks, okay? So we have 5 seconds here. Really punching out. Be gentle on yourself, but keep it going. All right, so mummy kicks. Arms are out to the side, and you're going up in front. I kind of just take that as if I'm just lifting over like a 3-foot board, but just reaching out in front of you versus just kicking out. I do a little loop-de-loop. Okay, so arms are out in front of you. Again, just help your balance. So you have to kind of lean back a little bit here. Keep it going strong to the end. We have 15 seconds to go, that's it. This quick little workout is just gonna benefit you through the day, or maybe it's gonna help you sleep better, or both. And we are done. I'm certainly sweating, so for the next 40 seconds, we're just gonna swirl around here. We're just kind of bringing everything down. So just bringing everything down. Cooling down, mixing in, breathing, being grateful for the ability to just do that movement. And you're gonna switch that. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for visiting. Subscribe. If you have not, hit the like button. It helps me grow. I'm trying to grow this channel. Okay, and then we're gonna just take this in a side to side. And I will look forward to seeing you for some really good juicy movement in the next video. Have a great day.